Are you looking for the best air fryer? In this video, we will break down the top 6 air fryers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Kazori Air Fryer. The Kazori Air Fryer Max XL takes the top pick because it has a large basket without being too heavy or taking up too much counter space. It has 11 presets, which are one-touch buttons like vegetables, frozen foods or bread. It also has a preheat and keep warm function. The 5.8-quart basket is perfect for feeding families, or there is an option for a smaller 3.7-quart basket if feeding 3 people or fewer. Both baskets can fit a rotisserie chicken. The air fryer baskets are easily detachable for hand washing or can be put in the dishwasher. The Kazori comes in black, red, and white, and includes 100 recipes. The downside to the Kazori Air Fryer Max XL is that it only has air frying capabilities. There is no option to bake or roast, and it does not double as a pressure cooker or toaster oven. If you are looking for an air fryer that focuses solely on air frying, the Kazori is your best pick. At number 2. Chefman Compact Turbo Fry. The Chefman Turbo Fry works well for your air frying needs at an affordable price. This small air fryer toaster oven is suitable for those working on a tight budget. With its compact design, it can fit anywhere on your kitchen countertop. It has a cooking temperature that ranges between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This appliance utilizes the latest rapid air technology that uses a heating element to heat up hot air and circulate it at high speed, cooking your favorite dish and producing a crispy fried texture with little or no oil. Most users who have used it loved it, as it is small, just the size of a coffee pot. It is ideal for a tiny kitchen with little to no counter space. It is non-expensive, cooks meals under 10 minutes, and it's easy to clean. The Chefman Turbo Fry comes with all the basic features of an air fryer at an affordable price and a 12-month warranty. It is worth considering for an entry-level model. At number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. You pay top dollar for the handsome brushed stainless steel Breville Smart Oven Air, but you get a state-of-the-art toaster oven in addition to an excellent air fryer, which consistently cooks up French fries and chicken nuggets that taste fried. Although it's large even by toaster oven standards, it can truly replace your oven. Breville claims it can even roast a 14-pound turkey. Plus, it can proof bread, dehydrate and slow cook. The digital controls are intuitive to program, and there's a bright oven light. I do have one major quibble with this product. The manual doesn't contain any recommendations for what, how much, or how long to cook various foods. This may not be a problem for baking or roasting, but if you're new to air frying, you're on your own as you're getting started. Also, keep in mind all of the parts require hand washing. At number 4. Wochef Air Fryer. The Wochef Air Fryer Dehydrator Oven Combo has 10 cooking functions and 9 accessories, so you can make the perfect meals in no time. It can fry, rotisserie, dehydrate, bake, and toast. With a 19-core capacity, the Wochef XL Large Air Fryer Dehydrator is spacious inside and can easily fit in a whole chicken or a 10-inch pizza. With 1800 watts of heating power, the device ensures the hot air circulates evenly from the top to the bottom, so that you need little to no oil to get crispy, yet healthy fried food. The LED touchscreen allows you to cook by one touch on any preset button. Once you set the temperature and time as instructed, you can simply let the machine do its job. Finally, it comes with accessories such as the 3 rotating kits, chicken rotisserie fork, French fries basket, BBQ skewer rack, 3 dehydrating racks, 1 frying basket, 1 drip tray, 1 fetch rack. The parts are all dishwasher safe as they are made of stainless steel, making them easy to clean. Also, a cookbook with 25 recipes is included. At number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Toast 60 Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer is a perfect choice for large families with its 7 cooking functions. You can easily choose from 7 cooking functions, including air fry, convection bake, convection broil, warm, and toast. The air fryer measures around 15.5 into 16 into 14 inches with 21 pounds of weight. Unfortunately, it comes with old-fashioned knobs at the top instead of a touchscreen display. The best thing is that the oven rack and fryer basket are dishwasher safe. This smart oven allows you to set the temperature along with the 0 to 60 timer option. The timer saves you from continuously monitoring the food progress. It comes with an automatic shut-off function to save your food from overcooking. It also comes with an interior light, so that you can easily monitor the cooking progress without opening the door. At number 6. Dash Compact Air Fryer. Compact air fryer oven cooker with temperature control is the air fryer you need if you plan to travel for a while or plan to move away from college. This compact air fryer is the best portable air fryer in the market, demanding the least amount of storage space. Instead of oil, the air fryer uses air crisp technology, which helps to reduce extra fat and calories without affecting the flavor of the food. Furthermore, the air fryer is incorporated with a cool touch handle and housing, and the automatic shut-off function ensures proper safety precautions for the users. The appliance is also versatile, i.e., varieties of food can be cooked and are perfect for families with children or people who are picky eaters. In addition, the food can be cooked easily and quickly once the timer is adjusted to the proper setup along with the temperature. Overall, as the air fryer is compact, lightweight, and portable, it is the perfect addition for people who travel a lot or live in small spaces with limited storage options.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.